0.6 divided 3 times 1 upon 2 square. How do you solve this? So here we have exponent, multiplication, division. As per PEMDAS, the order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, then we solve multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So first we will have to solve parenthesis. Here we don't have any parenthesis. This parenthesis is not an operation, remember, it's just a way of writing this exponent. So first we will have to solve the exponent. So it will be 0.6 divided 3 times 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4. Now if you follow PEMDAS, the letters say that you have to do multiplication first. So it will be 0.6 divided 3 times 1 upon 4 is 3 upon 4. After multiplication there is division, so it will be 0.6 division. We convert division into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted. So 3 upon 4 we have to write the reciprocal of it. So it will be 4 upon 3. Now we can remove the decimal here. So it will be 6 upon 10. Now we can divide 6 by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. So it is 2 times 4 is 8 upon 10. Or we can write 0.8. So 0.8 will be answer if we follow just the letters of the PEMDAS. But in order of operation, there is one rule that you need to remember, that this multiplication, division, they are reciprocal actions. That means they have equal priority. Reciprocal action means when 4 is divided by 2, it means 4 multiplied to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is reciprocal of 2. Division gets converted into multiplication. Same as if you write 4 multiplied to 2, you can also write it as 4 divided by 1 upon 2. So they have equal priority. Therefore, we cannot give precedence to multiplication over division or division over multiplication. For example, you can follow PEMDAS, which is the same order of operation in which D is written first. In that case, you will have to do division first. So to rule out this confusion, what we do, we can follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS, but for this multiplication, division, we group them together and solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. So you have to follow this order, first parenthesis, then exponent, and then if you get division or multiplication, you see whether division is coming first or multiplication is coming first. So you see here, we will first do this exponent part. So it will be 0.6 divided 3 times 1 upon 4. Now from left to right, it's division first. So it will be 0.6 times 1 upon 3. Okay. Then 1 upon 4. So it is 0.6 upon 12. We can remove the decimal here. So it becomes 6 upon 120. We can write it in the decimal form. So it will be 120 divided by 6. Not divisible. 6 is smaller. So we write on decimal, give 1 0. Again 60 is less than 120. Again give 1 0. Write 1 0 here. Now 12 times 5 is 60. So 120 times 5 will be 600. So this will be equal to decimal 0.5. So you see, if you follow left to right order, then answer is 0.05. But when you follow just the letter, answer is 0.8. But 0.8 is not the correct answer, because you should always remember that this division, multiplication, they need to be done from left to right, whichever comes first. So division will be done first. You convert division into multiplication, it is 1 upon 3, and then times 1 upon 4. You multiply the denominators, 4 times 3 is 12. You can also do it like this, 0.6 upon 12. You write a 0 here. 12 times 5 is 60. And to put the decimal, you count the digits 1, 2. So 1, 2. So it is 0.05. Or to better understand, we remove the decimal and then divide it. So it is 0.05. So answer will be not 0.8, but it will be equal to 0.05. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe.